Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss latest job openings in Mysore location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are job openings available from Kriya IT Private Limited from Mysore. So they have vacancies for the process associates. So coming to eligibility, graduates diploma in any discipline. So these candidates are eligible to apply. So fresher candidates are also apply for this position, and undergraduates with BPO experience is required for these positions, and the candidates should be good spoken skills with the following languages such as Hindi is mandatory, and with Kannada and English knowledge is required, and you should be having good communication and computer skills, and age limit below 35 years and below. So interested candidates can walk into the interview with the updated resume for an interview to the mentioned address details, and you can also send your resume to the provided mail id, that is careers at krianxw.in. So you can also contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job notification. There are openings available from SVEI. So it is from Mysore. So they have vacancies for the faculty positions. So to teach chemistry for PU college, and social or English faculty for state high school, and they have also vacancy for the system administrator for the office work. So these are the qualification details for the each and every position. So you please check with the details, and so interested candidates you can apply with biodata and testimonials, and also contact number and recent passport size photo on and before 14th August 2021. Next one, there are openings available from Relicomp Elevators Private Limited. So they are looking for an immediate placement of sales executive position. So it is for only male candidates. So coming to requirements, 0 to 4 years of experience in sales field is required, and candidate must be energetic, intelligent with positive attitude. So interview will be held on 13 August 2021 at 10 a.m. So interested candidates, you can send your CV to the provided mail ID, and you can also approach them with the given contact numbers for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available from Mahatma Gandhi BED College. So it is from Mysore, and they have vacancies for the principal and accounts come admin positions. So for principal position, qualification would be MA, BED and PhD. So 3 years of experience is required for this position. And coming to accounts come admin position, qualification would be BCom and MCom. So 1 year of experience is required for this position, and they are preferring for female candidates only for this accounts come admin position. So you can send your resume to the provided mail ID for interview. So interview will be held in between 7th August 2021 to 11th August 2021. So timings will be 2 p.m. to evening 5 p.m. Next one, there are openings available from Urdu Teachers House Building Cooperative Society Limited from Mysore. So they have vacancies for the male secretary for Urdu Teachers House Building Cooperative Society. So coming to requirements, the candidate must be a BCom graduate and must have the complete knowledge of maintaining society account, and must have at least 2 to 3 years of experience, and the candidate should be having knowledge on computer. It will be compulsory, and Kannada and English knowledge is preferable for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. So you need to submit your biodata with photo to the above mentioned address details within 15 days of this publication, that is 21st August 2021. Next, there are vacancies from Sriram Life Insurance. So they have vacancies for the manager sales or assistant manager sales. So compensation would be as per the, like as per with industry, and with you are going to get attractive incentives for these positions. And for this position, qualification will be graduate and 2 years of sales experience is required. And you can also check here with the location. So last date for application is 16th August 2021. So you can also contact them with the given phone numbers if you have any queries regarding this notification. Next, there are vacancies for Hindi teacher. So it is from Sri Gnaneshwari Vidya Samsthe from Mysore. So they have vacancies for the Hindi teacher. So qualification would be BA BEd for this position, and you need to apply within 5 days. So from the date of advertisement of this post. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, and you can also approach them with the given phone number if you have any queries regarding this notification. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.